Hey guys, this is our S-1500 2-gallon, about 600 to 700 square foot, ready to use product. This is your 1, 2, 3 step video on how easy our concrete sealer is. So basically you're gonna receive your box like this. You're gonna open it. You're gonna receive your product already in the 2-gallon pump sprayer, ready to go. You basically gotta attach the wand. You're just gonna tighten it up till it's nice and tight, like so. Now you're ready to seal your concrete. Give it a couple good pumps. Try a little test spot. Make sure your liquid's coming out good. And you just want good, even, nice and good, even sprays. This is our S-1500 clear concrete sealer with mildew resistant repel built in, which means after about a 24-hour cure time, this will repel the mold, the mildew, keeps the concrete nice and shiny and clean, prevents a lot of pressure washing. That's it, you've sealed your concrete.